We're gonna do a speedrun StreamLadder. I'm gonna show you in 3 minutes, I hope, everything that you need to know about StreamLadder. So let's start. You can upload from Twitch. You can choose a clip here. You can also upload from your computer, which is very nice if you also make content on other platforms. You can choose the way you want to crop it. You can choose dual face cam, dual split cam. You can choose your own pre-made layout, such as TikTok layout that I made. You have a circle face cam, place it on top of your face, on top of the gameplay, and you go to the next part. Here you have text. You can enter all kinds of pre-made text. You just put it in there and then write, hello, this is text. Whatever you want. You can say things like, oh, watch till the end, or results at the end, or oh my god, something is gonna happen, something like that. You have an intro text, an outro text. This is very nice if you don't know what to put there. So for example, did you agree? Did you agree with what happened in this video? All right, on to the next one. You can go to stickers. Here you have your own personalized brand name. So for example, this one, you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you want. And then there's another very nice feature in the timeline. You can drag however long you want this to be seen in the video. So for example, you only want to put it at the end. You put it there, and there it pops up. There you go. Very pretty. I know this looks amazing. Then you can also even upload an image. So for example, if you have a border like this one doesn't really match with the circle one. You can put that in the border, and then same with that in the timeline. You can drag and drop however long you want the image to be. Then next, this is a newly added feature, which is very nice. It's with Jiffy, and you can search whatever Jiffy you like. Hello, you can put in hello, and then same as with every other feature, you can choose wherever you want it in the video. Then you go to captions. Captions is like one of our best features. You just press a caption. For example, this is in English. And here you go. You have all the text that was just said in the video. I have another video that's very detailed about how the captions exactly work. This is just a very quick run through on what StreamLadder entails. Then you go on to export. We press, of course, the highest resolution. You export it, and we wait for the little car to reach its end destination. Let me just take a quick sip. And here is the final step to your publishing progress. Here you have the video that we just made. You can check it here if you want. Then you can choose the thumbnail, which is very nice. You can just drag this piece and then it automatically pops to a new thumbnail. You can download the video, you can send it to your mobile with a QR code, and you can even edit it in a montage maker. I will show this later on. You can put in the text and the hashtags. You go to this menu, you can choose who it's for. If you have any other preferences, auto-publish or send as draft, and you can even schedule it if you want. Just choose your preferred day, your date, and pick the time, and then schedule the post, and then it's all done. Here you go. This is what we just made. Congrats. Good luck with editing.